I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making the environment stable so fixes work. First, update your device OS and the Google app. Outdated software breaks voice services. Next, confirm you're signed into the correct Google account and that Wi-Fi or cellular is working. Intermittent networking causes failures. Once done, force quit and restart the Google app and reboot the device to clear transient errors. These initial actions eliminate many simple causes and prepare you for the deeper troubleshooting that follows. Now dive into the settings where problems hide. You should check assistant language, voice match, and microphone permissions because mismatches or blocked mic access stop recognition. Then clear the Google app cache and, if issues persist, clear app data or reinstall the app to reset corrupted state. Also inspect Bluetooth devices, Do Not Disturb, and any third-party apps that may hijack audio. These can silently block Assistant. Make changes one at a time so you can identify which fix worked. Finish by validating results with a set of test queries and retraining voice match so the system relearns your speech patterns. Review your Google activity history to spot errors or blocked requests and ensure incidental triggers are disabled. If nothing helps, perform a factory reset only after backing up your data because that clears persistent faults. If problems persist, gather timestamps, exact phrases, and any error messages. Then contact Google support with that info so they can escalate with logs for a faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.